In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable spatial sound on your Acer laptop, tablet, or desktop device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the Start menu and search for Settings. Best result, should come back with Settings here. Go ahead and open that up. Select the System tile, and then on the left side, select Sound. Over on the right versus choose your output device, click the drop down and you can select a different device if you want to make a modification for it. If you have multiple output devices, and then select the device properties link right here versus spatial sound format. Select your spatial sound format for an immersive audio experience that simulates a more realistic environment. You can click the drop down and either select off or one of the other options that Windows presents that's available or compatible with your system and your equipment. And that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.